Now, civil society groups, the National Integrity Action, NIA, and the Jamaica Accountability Meter Portal, JAMP, are calling for clarification on the selection process and the criteria used for Mr. Chung's appointment. In a statement, the NIA says the implications of his appointment are far-reaching, as perceived bias or a lack of transparency in the selection process may undermine public trust in the FID. While JAMP believes that although Mr. Chung is a chartered accountant, there are no indications of prior experience in areas like working in anti-money laundering or asset recovery, leading or managing law enforcement or financial crime teams. JAMP insists that the role requires more than accounting and requires accountability.